Hello, good evening, everyone. So, right now, I welcome you to the Voice Within Understanding Self Talk, which is our podcast for you. And I have invited our excellent and respectful speakers on expert of self talk, which is Sir Chris, Miss Reg, and Sir Neil. So, listeners, today we're going to dive to a little voice inside our head, how it can build up or break you down. We're talking about self talk. So, let's ask first what our guests about what is self-talk, or in their own words, how can they explain self-talk? Because we heard it a lot. So in our podcast, they're going to share what they think self-talk is all about. So let's start. I believe Sir Chris is really ready to answer so that our listeners can really listen to what is self-talk. Yes, Sir Chris, take it
Hello,
away.
everyone. For me, I believe that self-talk is the internal our mind we went to sleep. So everything that comes into our mind and does not get away from our mouth is, I believe, that is self-talk. Thank you so
Yes,
much, Mom
tama, no?
Jen.
Thank you kaayo, Sir Chris. So, actually, I have a question here since Sir Chris na-explain na niya ang self-talk. Have you ever caught yourself saying things to yourself that you'd never say to a friend? Because usually, di ba, naman kita friend nga itong sharean. So, have you ever caught yourself talking to yourself, mga things na wala ni mo na share outside?
Sometimes ah kita no naman jud tay mga sari-sarili na mga thoughts in our minds na we cannot share to everyone. Instead, we sometimes pray. Prayer is sometimes also self-talk. We talk to the Lord, but all everything is in our mind alone. So we does not share to our friends, even our family members. It's only all in the mind.
Yes, no? Sige, thank you, Sir Chris. How about Sir Neil? Sir Neil, um, have you ever caught yourself na nagastorya ka sa imong sarili and then, like, just for example, looking in the mirror, tapos mag-talk ka while looking at yourself, and then what are the things that you usually talk to yourself?
Sometimes I've encountered this situation, but I would rather say, um, next time we met again, I can express this to him, to my friend. By the way, this is to my friend. So sometimes I talk to the mirror that, okay, is this me? So uh, next time I would improve what I have got mistakes.
So usually, sir, imong self-talk kay ano siya, related siya para mag-improve ka. So more on the positive side. How about you, Ma'am Reg? Usually, unsa imong ginastorya sa imong sarili?
Um, uh, that's actually a very good question, especially that um, my situation now, I am currently designated not just a faculty, but I am designated as I am working in the administration. So half of my load is for administration and for instruction. So there were a lot of times when I think about kind of bitong loads of work and you know human as we are, and we actually get to tell ourselves that "Murag, I cannot do this anymore. Okay, this is my transition from a faculty to an admin. So many times I taught myself not to get distracted with, kana bitong fully loaded ka sa imong work. So,
Yeah.
dudot ka ikog mga questions in mind nga Lord kanang deserve ka ako diri kanang ingana nga mga thoughts baka nang there were times nga self-pity ko. Mo na siya akong negative self-talk. I get to discourage myself because
Mm.
I don't really see myself as capable kada bitong compared to the other faculty or faculty designate. So I negatively tell myself nga I cannot do this because do kanang kapoy kaayo ni nga work. Then as to time management, bisud kaayo baya idungan ang imuhang trabaho o
True.
ang imuhang trabaho sa being a faculty and trabaho sa admin. So maybe ang akong self-talk karon kay I have to get used to this. This is part of my adjustment. Kana mao gid akong gina-self-talk nga. And I also kana bitong dili gid ako gina-interest sa akong kaugalingon ang akong mahimo tungod kay if saligan ako kung kaugalingon, wala gid ko'y mahimo. But I always ask the Lord nga, Lord, this is not my will. This is your will. I know nga there's a purpose why you placed me here. And I believe that you will not leave me. I believe nga, ikaw gid ang nagtagana sa ako, diri kayo pasag di Lord. So, mo na siya akong kanang coping mechanism aron ma-uplift ko ba kay kung saligan ako kung kaugalingon, dili gid ako na siya mahimo. So, I tell myself nga, I can handle this. Then sometimes, I tell myself nga, you have gone this far, but not because of my own strength, but of course, through the Lord. Grabe, preachy na gid kaya ni. But yeah, that's very true. Mao gid akong coping mechanism. I always tell the Lord, giyahe gid ko. Kana ra gid Ma'am Jen.
Ganahan kayo ko, ma'am.
I have
Kanang,
something
yes,
to
Sir Chris.
diba? Like we as MAPI teachers, sometimes we become coaches, and like Ma'am Rachel, we sometimes cope with ourselves as coach and at the same time teachers. We have teaching load, students left behind, and we focus on our student athletes, and we sometimes, most especially kanang duol na kay competition, like focus kay ta sa mga
True.
student athletes, and we are ang students na to inside the classrooms are left behind, and we sometimes do self-talk na how about those, kamusta na kaya to ato mga students in the classroom? Are they still okay? Are they still behaving properly? Na while we are still in our field na as coach, teaching our students or focusing on our student athletes to win and to become sports and to become great of themselves. But there are some students na left behind, and we always talk to ourselves, I am still in the right decision of my life na ako diri karon sa coaching at the same time ako mga bata kamusta kaya, di ba? Can you feel with me? Can you feel me, Sir Neil, as a deputy teacher?
Yes, Sir
Yes, sir.
Neil.
I feel you, no? I can relate to you na sometimes we are advisor, we are subject teachers, and we are a coach, no? So
Yeah.
we talk ourselves how to manage this situation, no?
That's
Na makaya natin lahat. And then we pray na lang to the Lord na sana makaya natin lahat ng task na, na, na binigay sa atin.
yes, the burden of becoming a MAPI teacher.
True. Although it's a burden, sometimes you can really say na it's a good training for us to be a
Yeah, a
multitasker.
blessing.
Yes. Mura siya og kanang ano no, kanang two sides of the coin, may positive and negative. Speaking of positive and negative, self-talk pod, na po siya positive and negative. Pero let's start first with the positive self-talk. Now, although na-mention ni Miss Reg na karon nga time, meron na siya sa doubt nga type of self-talk. Negative self-talk usually ang iyahang karon sa ang applicable sa iyang situation. Pero was there a time na ang self-talk na inyong gibuhat was positive? And can you recall how did the or the positive self-talk has helped you to survive a problem or a challenge sa inyong life? Start with Sir Neil. For sure, daga na ka na-experience si Sir Neil.
Positive talk, no? So positive self-talk helps I feel better about myself because it can improve my self-esteem, stress management, and well-being. It reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety,
Yes.
reduce risk of self-harm and suicide. May mga teachers naman na
Oh, that's true, sir.
Real.
we make feel more in control of ourselves. It help with pain, no? If it helps us to achieve our goals. So in essence, positive self-talk is about creating an internal dialogue that is supportive, encouraging, and helps you build self-esteem and resilience.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Now, for Sir Chris and Ma'am Reg, na lang quick question because there is usually na siya murag kanang negative na kanang bagadating sa mga tao manggod because if mag self-talk and makitaan kanila, i-label mo kanila as a crazy person. No? What can you say about that?
Okay. Kung sa Ma'am Reg, I had this experience. This was this year, last February, I attended a competition. I joined a competition in which I had given everything of myself. Kay I had given the pressure or ako mismo naghatag sa akong sarili sa pressure because we became the host of that competition. And this positive self-talk helped me to recover from this competition. Actually, wala mi nadaog, but we became the first runner-up. As first runner-up, you are very close to becoming
Yeah.
the champion, and that really hurts a lot. Kay you are one step closer to your goal, but you didn't make it. So as for me, I had this self-talk, positive self-talk as to recover everything, regain my strength, be mentally. Actually, I did some mental awareness na i-ready imong self, whatever happens, kanang if ever madaog ka or dili kay you did your best. Sometimes kanang maka-utter jud the words nga sayang nga jud uy kanang ikaw jud sa imong sarili di ba kanang mastorya ka nga sayang nga jud
Yes.
that was supposed to be mine but it didn't happen and kanang maka-explain pud ka sa uban na siguro kanang nadjay purpose imuhang everything kanang madunggan lang gud ka sa uban nga musturya lagi ka sa imong sarili kalit kanang maka-explain ka sa uban nga aside from myself I had none to share with my feelings right now and it helps me to become better again kanang murag ikaw mismo capable ka to heal yourself as to what happened to you kay you know yourself better than others and ikaw mismo kanang kabalo ka unsa imong naagian in between those challenge na imong giatubang and I believe that even though the positive you wanted to become something positive but the outcome is negative still you are positive for yourself because that positive self-talk helps you a lot to become more to become better and to know yourself better. Kay at least 'di ba kanang that was for me but it wasn't happen. Maybe God has really its purpose. Nganong di siya nahitabo. Ana God kanang 'di ba? Ikaw mismo mo impart sa mo sarili nga ay okay ra na napaka other things to do aside from that. Kay wala man gihatag sa imuha, 'di ba? Ana siya. For me. How about you, Ma'am Reg? Sure.
I like the
How about you,
energy.
Reg?
Yeah. I like working couple ko eh, bitaw.
How
For
about you,
me,
Reg?
namang yung mga ano-anak sa mga ulo. Bitaw, anyway, with regards to your question, Ma'am Jen, actually, self-talk, sometimes people will not understand you as to how you cope up yourself. Okay, sometimes they will label you as crazy because you do self-talking and then di na nimo babantayan ba kay sige na ka self-talk ka nang most of the time ka nang di na bitaw ka nang unconscious ka mag self-talk na ka diya nya
Oh.
shock na lang dahil no kisang kastorya ay brag
Sa
na
kay magtulo lang.
imaginary friend huy. But anyway,
Yeah.
according to the psychologist, and it's just so timely because earlier we had a talk about mental wellness, and then our RGC, our registered guidance counselor, mentioned that there were about 90% of Filipino people, especially those who are working, were actually found nga stress kayo sila sa work because of workload, work-life balance, and then we were told that in order for us to cope up with our stress, we have to find our inner self. And then according to the psychology, no, according to psychology, self-talk is not a sign of mental illness. because self-talk is a way for us to cope with ourselves. Remember that it's not the people around you or it's not your environment ang imong kontra, but it's yourself. No? That's why I believe nga when we do self-talk, it's one way to it's one way to convince ourselves nga to overcome everything, especially that we are teachers, we are not just handling one specific subject, but we are also teaching our students the values, how kanang mga survival, kanang multitaskers ba gyud ta din our. Aside from that, we are also parents of our teachers. We are the second parents of our teachers. And most of the time, dili na kaayo ga focus ang atong lecture on the content, but we do more of, lecturing our students as to how they're going to survive life. 'Di ba? In the field, in depth ed.
Part of health experiences.
Correct. In-depth ed, if kadagaan mo sa activity, like in my case, I was able to experience gid kanang na i-assign ko before sa far-flung areas where ang mga bata gid to kay galakaw bitaw nga tiniil na lang, then lapok kay ang mga tiil, dayon magbaklay alas 5 or alas 4 pa sa buntag kay mo adto dadto sa eskwelahan, and then kaning ana ba kanang usahay pud ba kay absorbers pud ba ta sa ilahang problema. So para sa ako, self-talk is not, maybe it's not also to judge, it's not also good to judge our, colleagues, our students, nagastur-stur, pero usahay sad lagi, dili pud na tumakuan manggod kay, basig, murag, sobraan na sa siguro yung pag self-talk. Wala sa siguro nga kasultian na nga murag, uy, lahi na galing na yung mga istorya. Pero according to research, self-talk daw kuno mag-improve siya sa focus o performance. Yes, mag-improve siya sa imong focus kay you direct your mind. Imo nang gina-control ang imong mind, your emotions, because you tell yourself, "Huy, calm down. Too much na ka. Ayaw ka kulba diha. You can do it." So for me, labeling someone who is mentally ill is not also good. Like, di ba? Lain man po, di man po maayo mag-judge ta. So for me, it's a sign of cognitive engagement, as psychologists say. So that's for my end, Ma'am Jen.
Oh, thank you so much, ma'am. Very insightful. At the same time, the explanations are very relatable because ako po sometimes I find myself, labi na magpadulong na ako sa eskwelahan or mag-work niya, kaya murag anxious kay ko. Istorya ko sa akong sarili, pre, you got this, kaya ni mo ni, kay, namoy times na murag burnout na kay kung mami pag muadto ko, palakaw na ko sa school, bugat akong feeling na anxious ko gusto mo duty, ko gusto makipagtao, kana murag ing ana ba, so self-talk gid ang ako ang pangtaguyod aside sa mag-pray ko kay Lord condition ako mind ba nga kailangan ako mukagod kay kung mukagod wala tay makaumurag ana gani, pero self-talk gyapon siya in a way, pero positive siya kay gusto mo na ko mo strive og kanang success sa life, so kailangan para ani o kailangan to mo survive, so go lang nang go nga ana gid perminti ato ang self-talk. So, and kato pong point kani ma'am nga niya na di na to dapat i-judge or i-label sila because in the first place, dili ta expert for that para mang-label ta og someone nga di mo ta psychologist, ito psychiatrist. So, i-refrain gid nato na labi na kita as teachers kay may buang bataan ni Juana na yun. Thank you so much for sharing kayo ang nga makasturya kag positive, pero there are times nga ang self-talk nato because katuingon ni Ma'am Reg na atong sarili atong kalaban, oftentimes atong self-talk dili positive, it's negative. And I want to hear from each one of you what are the sentences gani usually nga inyong masulti sa inyong self nga negative ug unsay impact saya sa inyong life. Start ta kay Sir Chris.
Okay. As to negative self-talk, ma'am, I always have this phrase na, uy, kanang murag ikaw mismo nag-down sa imong sarili, and that sometimes lead you to being bulok gyud, like you you walk what you have talked to yourself, like you move na kanang mismo ikaw nag-down sa mong sarili, and the whole day that you had in your mind is that bulok ka, ending wa kay nabuhat, you have not done anything good on that day. At the same time, people around you are being affected with kabulukan. Instead of making yourself motivated, you already drown yourself of thinking na bulok ka. Ana good. And people around you are being affected. It's because you're being clumsy. Sometimes you are not being yourself. Na kanang maabot ta sa point usahay na kanang matulala na lang ka unya mga tanay mong friends or even people around you na naunsa ka. What is happening with you? And kanang di pud ka motubag kay mao man jud to imong thought na on that day kay bulok jud ka kanang wala kay nabuhat. And that sometimes lead to doing nothing, being alone, being preserved, and everything that you have done on that day is something negative, and that leads you to nothing. Kanang ana na feel niyo na kanang even imong as a teachers naman jud tay bad day, kanang pagbuntag sayo pa lang murag sapot na kay ka, nya maisip nimo naka ko'y mabuhat tama ron adlaw kay murag di ko ganahan ani na adlaw, and murag nabulukan ko sa self. And until the end of the day na matulog na lang ka kay wala jud kay nabuhat. Nagtanga lang ka unya natulala lang jud ka or wala lang. Usahay kay that can lead us to something stressing ourselves. Sleeping, di ba? Kanang over kuan kay ka ba over ang sa tawag ana kanang murag gi-overthink nimo imong self na wa kay mabuhat aning adlaw and bulok jud ka. Kanang something na you can do something positive but you have done nothing. Ana,
Hello, oy.
late
Gusto
jud
ko
mo
kayo
ana sa
gusto kayo hug, sir. Sige, sige. Thanks. Let's move forward to Ma'am Reg. Then last na to si Sir Neil. Ma'am Reg.
I'm sorry, I didn't get the question. What was that, Ma'am
Ay,
Jen?
kuwan po, isa ka line nga negative self-talk tapos unsa impact sa iya sa imong life?
Meaning sa ako
Usually line. Oo, mga line na ginaingon nimo sa imong sarili nga negative.
Koan, you can't do it.
Talaga?
Yes, you can't do it because I always look at myself nga dili na ako di makaya, dili ko bright, dili ko competitive. I am dili ako aloof, but I am an introvert individual, and I don't like exposing myself to everyone. If I am to choose siguro my path, I would always love to go back to teaching where I was originally assigned, and in sa amo ang department kana bitong gusto gid ko nga low key ra, and then every time I get to kana bitong kanang ma-expose ko sa kanang labi na bitaw sa mga taas-taas na nga mga people, mawala akong confidence murag because I always tell myself you cannot do it, you're not intelligent, you're not competitive, you are not like them, you don't have the guts. That's always that those were the lines that I always tell myself every time I face these people, because working in the administration is there's so many competitive individuals, and you have to makisabay ka sa ilaha. But tungod kay nag-una permi ang akong fear of rejection, akong fear nga dili na ko na makaya kay dili ko bright, PE lang ko kana siya gyud nga mga lines. PE ra mo, wala mo kaya, dili mo bright. Dula ra na inyuha sayaw-sayaw, salom-salom. Kana ra gid nga mga linyahan, pero those lines, it actually made me feel like I don't have a place in our institution. That's why I would always love to go back to being just a teacher, being just an ordinary individual. Bitong nobody sees you. Dayon. Mara bitong kulang na lang nga yung balik dadto sa kung asa ka originally nabutang. Kana siya. So it really it really made me feel like I am not worth it. I am not deserving of this position. But God is good because He helped me not to please people, but to please Him. Those are my coping lines when kana bitong ma-down ako, ma'am, kanang sir, kana bitong makaingon ko ba kay always man gid na ako ginatanaw gud akong kaugalingon sa akong makaya lang pero wala na ako. I'm sorry kung always gid ako gina si Lord gid per me gid ang ako ang guide. Siya ra gyud kay siya gid ang siya ba ang author sa atong life gyud. Siya gid ang in fact nahumana atong story sa iya habaya. Kita lang gyud sad kay watay salig kana ba atong kaugalingon ato ang gasaligan which is wrong gid kaayo. That's for me lang gid, Ma'am Jen.
Mom, thank you kaayo, mama. It's so nice to hear words na kanaganing dili lang day ako ang ingana gani kanang tapos ang imong solution ba kay you always go back to the Lord. Kailangan ko pero sa kumila si Sir Neil sa go Sir Neil.
Okay, sometimes I always think negative thoughts such as nganong naay biases no in our department. So, nganong unfair? No, nganong may mga no, may mga favoritism, no? Bisan no gihimo na nimo tanan ng best mo, pero mawala ka gana. Nganong mawala ka gana kay because may mga favoritism in your sa inyong company, no? Siyempre may mga kapit sa luwag. Ano may inaana man, no? Kahit na ang sa atong buhaton, no, imo na to ang best makawala og gana ba na magbuhat ani. Pero nagingon na lang gyud ko sa akong self na basta himuo lang nako akong tanan nga best, saka i-pray na lang nako sa Ginoo tanan ang tanan na bahala na siya sa tanan. So, that's all.
Yes po. Salamat kayo sa inyong insights. Actually, kanang mga discrimination sa ato, biases sa ato, dala-dala jud nato na no, mo gid siya mawala-wala kay murag part na gani sa ila culture sa ato kanang school na sila nga negative nga kuan sa ato sa PE. Pero as much as possible nagyapon ta na ning kamo ta naga-thrive para lang gid ma-prove na to sa ila nga di lang ta PE lang, PE jud ta. Kana good. Tapos in terms of for me pod kanang view nako sa negative self-talk sometimes like for example ako share po din ako negative nga line always ako giningon kay I will never be good enough so no,
Sharing lang.
I will never be good enough in anything kay dili lang sa school pero sa personal life because maybe natay mga ingana nga talk sa atong self because of the traumas that we had sa ato ang mga past experiences. Baga ang atong kung negative self-talk kay na di lang siya kanang karon lang na siya kanang base ba nga kanang bugat
Always
kaayo dala nato no nga wa ito na heal ami natog na heal ta pero wala gid ta na heal eh. Basta mo siya kanang mabalik-balik siya pag nay ma-trigger or mapuno ta ana. So kanang kani nga negative self-talk ganan every time pod pag nakoy mga negative self-talk aminado man jud ko nga na jud daghan kay kog negative self-talk ma'am naga-suicidal attempt ko before so yeah mo na kanang na few times nga mag-question pud ko kay Lord nga Lord nganong ako ngano man kana ana good sa ano man kay ko sa imuha mo follow ko sa imo gakuan ko sa imo ga-trust ko sa imo pero nagyo times nga ma-question ako siya hindi lang ko mag-talk sa akong personal life pero basta dito nga part nga question ko pero but then again akong ginabuhat kay kana ganing Bible tapos magpili ko dito og isulod ako akong kamot tapos pagka man open ako meaning Lord mo ni imong message for me so all ang pinaka ang lately lang kay negative self-talk ko ang share lang nako ang nakabutang dito kay fear not for I am with you. So, di ba nga nung mahadlok man ta kay, di ba nag-talk man si Ma'am Reg about fear, dagan kitag fear, dira man gud mag-start. Labi na ako kay people pleaser pod gid ko ma'am. Kanang murag nadala na ko sa bata ba nga dapat ma-impress ako akong parents, dapat ma-please na ko akong parents. So nadala na ko siya sa all throughout my life nga I have to please everybody as much as possible. Pag dili gani bugat kay siya sa kuha. Pero fear not for I am with you. Mo na ako ang dala-dala karon nga message ni Lord sa ako and nga. And I hope also na you would not also fear. So I think this is also a great avenue na ma-share na to sa isa't isa kung saan na to pag-overcome kay. These are negative self-talk. Pero,
Then, kanang
yes,
you've already opened up about Bible. Since Bible is we cannot physically see our the Lord. Can we consider reading our Bible or talking to the Lord as self-talk? What do you
for
think?
me, partly ma'am sa ato for me has akong view, self-talk siya in a way because you are talking all alone pa sa imong self, ikaw lang isa, pero you feel like there's someone that is right there listening to you na naghag sa imuha. Tingala lang ka, naghilak ka, tapos tingala ka, nakatulog na lang ka sa sige nimo hinilak. Pero pag mata nimo gaan imong feeling. So, for me, kanang, ang prayer pod is a form of self-talk. A positive self-talk.
Powerful positive self-talk.
Yes.
As
Amen.
for
Amen
me,
to that.
we view Ma'am Reg.
Sige, go.
As for me, kanang murag kuan siya, ma'am, it's a positive healing process of your negative self-talk in which you can deliberately deliver message from someone whom you don't know at the same time, whom you haven't seen, but you always believe that there is always someone with you that you talk na kanang naminaw sa imuha, na-enjoy someone na nagatubang sa imuha, in which sometimes imuha sa sarili lang good gihapon imo makita, but more powerful than you think you nga imong sarili. Murag ana god in a view na kanang someone is always lighting you, making yourself lighter na naghug sa imuha kanana. It's making you more kanang doing your best. I making your best nga na-joy someone behind you always.
Yes. And sometimes po,
Amen.
kanang mag-pray ganita, kanang, Lord, I cannot walk alone. Di na nako kaya mo baklay. Please, alsaha ko. Kana ana good. Nga na nga pray. Sa feeling mo na to siya Papa Jude.
Akong
So,
pangalan ba ma'am kay Footprints in the Sand. Ang
oh,
Jude
footprint kita
Oh.
sad.
in.
Kama.
Nindot kayo,
Kaya.
especially that we're coaching students. Our
Oh,
last resort, our last and best advice to our students, Megan, especially if it's the competition proper, is this one. Wow, prayer.
prayer
Pray.
good. Kanan kay ko. Tapos, since we need to move forward, kay di ba naman tay mga negative lines, katong negative line ni Sir Chris nga katong sa to Sir Bugo ko, nya kay Sir Neil kay katong mga biases sa PE nga PE lang, nya kay Miss Reg kay about ano ba to Miss kanang I can't do it. So, ang question is, how are you going to rephrase it into a positive one? And then, unsa atong mga actions na i-take after? Sige, start ta kay Sir Neil. Sir Neil?
Okay. For me, no, one thing is na lang talaga, is to pray, no, pray hard na lang talaga sa Ginoo, no. And then, para ang tanan maging smooth, no? And then gina-share ko din sa mga students ko na first period in the morning, dapat may prayer talaga, no? Para maging maganda ang ang araw na, ang tanan ang adlaw ba, na maging kung asa man sila maadto, safe sila, no? Protected sila sa Ginoo. Then, that's part of life lang talaga na may mga biases sa PE. No? So, magiging strong na lang talaga. Ako naging strong na lang talaga for how many years na nagtuturo ako, no? Nagtudlo ko. So, very strong ko kahit na anong mga challenges, ginakaya ko lang talaga. Anong mga problems, strong talaga ako. That is part of our life talaga, na may problems talaga. So, kung paano lang talaga natin malampasan ang mga problems natin. So, lahat ng problems may solusyon talaga. Kaya, maging fighter talaga tayo sa ating life talaga. Kasi may mga family tayo. mga friends na ma-express ang ating mga emotions at mga feelings, no? Trusted friends.
And then next, si Sir Chris. Okay, so
Okay.
right now we're going to continue sa ikaw na ba to, Sir Chris?
Yeah. We had a technical glitch. Sorry, because we are live. Char.
Ganito po talaga pag live, yes. Go, Sir Chris.
So, as for me, as what I have said a while ago, I'm always a positive looking person, and I always make believe that there are things that we need to be positive. Optimistic jud ko na tao. And that phrase na bulo ka jud nimo oy, I always change it to you did your best. It's just that it doesn't fit to the standards of everyone. So you don't need to push yourself. You did your best. Kana ang phrase na akong always gina put into mind na it's either from the moment I wake up, today is your best day. Kanang ana jud every time kanang feel na ko na bugat akong paminaw, every time na I am feeling down or kanang ma-feel na ko na murag wala nako na satisfy akong self into the goal that I needed to attain, but still I did my best. You exerted so much effort. You're a grade A to everything that you have done, although it is not the best for everyone, but it is the best for you because you did it for yourself. Kanang ikaw mismo as nakaila sa imong sarili, it is the best for you. Although you cannot please everyone, di ba? Kanang najuday ana na thought na maybe it's not the best for everyone, but I know this is the best for me. Kanang ang thought na buluka jud nimo oy is just or will just pass away of the thought na you're always the best and you need to love yourself because there's no one else to do it for you.
Yes.
Ana, as what Justin Bieber said, Cherry,
You should go and love yourself.
now, diba? Ana. Thank you so much for giving that
Congratulations.
energy.
Thank you, sir. Miss Reg.
Ganahan kayo sa mga ending statement. Yeah. So the question was, what were those negative self-talks or talk that you were able to tell yourself, and then how will you reframe it to a positive one? So I'd like to focus on the words that I have shared with you that I tell myself I can't do it. So how do I reframe it into a positive self-talk? Number one is I can do this if I take it step by step. Sometimes we look at the big problem. We just look at the first step. Human as we are, kanang bitong natay first kasi tawagan na first reaction sa mga butang-butang nga atong ginadawat, and then we take it nga negative bitaw with wala pag inato naagian kina natay mga conclusions, no? So maybe this is about time to tell ourselves that you can do it. You just have to do it one step at a time. Ana. And then another lines that I could reframe using the word you can't do it is kanina, mo gini siya ang nindot kaayong reminder sa atua. I've faced challenges before. This is just another one to overcome. Remember nga our kuan nga tong kinabuhi ba unsa ni siya galakaw ta sa life, and this is not the very first kanang situation where naata diha nga butang dagan nakitag na lagpasan, so nganong di palagar na nimo mabuhat, no? Nga na another is kani kay people nowadays are looking at themselves as perfect. They're aiming always for perfection. Remember, in this world, nobody is perfect. So
Exactly.
tell yourself, remind yourself, I don't have to be perfect. I just have to start. Because everything to us is dili naman ni bago sa atua. Kakabag-uhan lang ta kay reaction paper kaayo ta. That's our very nature. Dito ta mag-react sa mga butang-butang without going through the process, without kanang ano ba, one step at a time lang good. Mahimo ra lagi na nato Ma-overcome na lagi na nato. Then another is I am learning every step counts. Kana. Mo lagi na siya. Kanang sa process ng atong gakaagyan, although painful siya, hurtful siya, but let's always remember that our life is, is like a race. Madagma man ka, don't forget to stand up. Di ta pwede nga mo madagma tawa na wala di lang ta ganahan tindog kay nadagma naman ta. Always learn to stand. Always have the courage to start. And then another is I may feel afraid, but I am still capable. You have your unique, there's something in you that maybe late lang gid nimo nabalaan. Maybe para pud ma-uplift imong kaugalingon nga try to look at yourself kanang something nga wala sa uban ba. Usahay mo gud kay mutanaw ta sa atong kaugalingon then i-compare na to ang atong kaugalingon sa uban nga wala sa atoa. Always remember that you are unique. We are beautifully and wonderfully made. We have our own distinctions. Believe in yourself. Kana lang gyud sad. Believe in yourself. Maybe ang pinaka-essence na to ani is don't be afraid to move forward.
To
Don't be
try again.
afraid to take a leap. Nga na siya. So again, it's just a matter of kanang trusting yourself, trusting your instinct. You don't say you can't do it. Instead, you say, I can do this. I am capable. I am a champion. PhD PE, you are going
Correct.
to be a
Yes,
champion.
you're the best.
Yes.
Bitaw, oy, agad. Oh, nice going mo. Yes, sir.
No. Kanang I got it from way back when I was in masters. Char. Kanang nakuha na ko ni I heard and I got this from Porforia Poralan during one of our subjects. She said that in life there are always two sides of the coin and your palm has always two sides. The light and the dark. It's up for you to decide which are you. You cannot choose or maybe. There are always two sides of your palm, the lighter and the darker one. Even the coin has always two sides, the head and the tail. It's up for you to decide if you are going to be negative or if you are going to be positive. And if you are going to choose negative, please always in mind that you can flip always and be positive in your life. You can never trust anyone, but there's always light in you na you got this. Kanang imong self lang jud ang magbuhat sa best pud sa imong self kanang ana. Di ba? Nakoy na learn sa imong ma'am. Char.
Chalang. Bitaw, let's break the stigma gyud kay stereotype na namagud ta sa na stereotype man gud ta kana bitaw PE ra ka bisa bitaw ka nang capable ka pero tungod kay label na kag PE ra ka mag self pity na ta
Gani.
mo that's a
Gani.
confidence ba diha
Ay,
man
paano na lang ko ma'am nga, what if, hindi na lang, like, mag-teacher na lang ko sa ibang bansa, kay kapod kay sa Pilipinas, grabe ang pag-degrade. Pero siguro kung ma'am, no, sa ako ang negative self-talk, atong you will never be good enough. You will always be good enough to the right people and with the
So,
right
there's someone
environment.
nga naga look up sa imuha na kanang ma-feel po nimo na napoy someone nga nagainggit pud sa imo kay you are in your position right now nga you are so blessed. You have everything that you have and you've got everything that you can. Kanang anak good na thought na there is always someone nga nainggit pud sa imo. It's because you have gone too far in your life. Can you feel me? Char lang.
We
are
can
you
feel
with me
you.
yeah
You with me?
Oh, so you have to find you the right environment para mo-grow ka o ano jud ka, mo blossom.
sure
Murag flower gani or plant nga. Kung naa ka sa nindot na yuta, di ba mo tambok imo ang flower, ang plant, mo grow gid, mo blossom siya. So just like us. Now, one last question before we end our podcast. Since we have known that there is a positive and negative self-talk, now if we have a student or an athlete nga naga-self-doubt or negative self-talk, what is your advice to that student or student athlete? Start with Miss Reg.
I have ako ga coach magigug mga students, especially I am into folk dance pod, and then I have been training student athletes for about 5 years, 6 years. Sometimes labi na bito ako nga kanang we have been through a lot of training, mga late night practices, and then here comes pressure from from the kana bitaw mga kontra, and then another is pressure because basig dili na pressure from the institution, pressure from other people kana. One thing that I always tell them is that do not always kanang dili na ko sila permigid gina kuan gina kana bitaw nahatag na nako akong gihatag sila in terms of skills, sa training and all. Ang last na lang gid nako nga ihatag sa ilaha as a coach is kanang mga words of encouragement nga remember kanang taas ta kay atong time nga nag-training ta, daghan na kay tag mga singot nga nahatag, ang mga late night nga mga practices nato. Kanang ayaw og salig sa inyong kaugalingon. Kung dili salig mo sa team. Kung unsay mahimo because kung nakasentro man gud sa imong kaugalingon kay mag self-pity gid ka. And remember nga kung naisa sa imong performer nga low kaayo og confidence, it will radiate to the other dancers. Murag domino effect sad na siya. So this is what I always do to my student athletes nga kanang remember you are not dancing as an individual, you are dancing as a team. So therefore kung wala kay salig sa imong kaugalingon, meaning to say wala po kay salig sa imong ano ba, kung dili nimo kung ibutang nimo imong kaugalingon sa kani nga situation nga dili mo kaya, you will really affect people. You will really tell your co-dancers nga dili pud nila ni kaya. So you help each other. Kana bitong uplift yourself by telling nga you can do it, I am capable of, we will win, and of course by the grace of the Lord kanagid we always before the competition nagi na yung night before the competition mag fellowship me kami ra gid na nga grupo mag fellowship me dayon mag start me og kanang short prayer then magkanta mi og worship songs. That's what I always do gid sa 6 years na ko nga train sa ilaha. And kana siya dili ba na siya temporary lang nga values nga imong ginahatag sa mga bata kun dili lifetime na nila, meaning to say dili lang na nila mahimo silang kaugalingon kun dili pwede po na nila magamit po kung mag-train na sila, and then magamit po nila sa ilang family ba nga kung mag-abot dito sa sitwasyon nga dili wala na tay kadaganan, wala na tay laing kasturyahan kana bitong nalukong na ka sa imong emotion, ang only way to get out the eye is through prayer. Kana gid always gid nako na I don't know siguro kay nahigid ang impact sa ako ang prayer life. Mora gid na akong always ginasulti sa ilaha nga whenever you feel like dili na nimo kaya, always go back to yan. Kana ra gid Ma'am Jen, thank you so much.
Thank you, Mom. Grabe, uy, kanang pwede ko mga tanong, Ma'am. Ano yung religion?
Christian.
Ay, okay mo yun ka nang nindot kay ang works baka manggawas kay kanang it's not from you but it's from the Lord kanini through you gitagaan minimo og kanang enlightenment.
God
So
be the glory.
thank you kay. So okay, let's ask up na pod si Sir Neil and then ilasa to si Sir Chris kay powerful ni siya mga advice. So go Sir Neil.
To address self-talk to my athletes, encourage them to become aware of their negative thoughts, challenge their validity, and replace them with a positive and empowering statements. So help athletes identify their triggers for negative self-talk and specific negative thoughts they experience. Encourage them to pay attention to the situations, emotions, or physical sensations that led to these thoughts. So teach the athletes to question the accuracy and validity of their negative thoughts. Ask them to consider evidence that contradicts their negative beliefs and to reframe negative thoughts into more positive and realistic ones. Then encourage athletes to replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations and self-talk statements. So this could involve focusing on their strengths, past successes, or positive aspects of their current performance. So mindfulness techniques such as meditation can help athletes become more aware of their thoughts and emotions without judgment, allowing them to better manage negative self-talk. If negative self-talk is persistent or significantly impacting an athlete's performance and well-being, encourage them to seek guidance from a sports psychologist or therapist. So emphasize the importance of effort and the process of improvement rather than solely focusing on outcomes. So this can help athletes develop a growth mindset and reduce pressure associated with specific results. So help athletes recognize and celebrate their progress and small victories. This can boost their confidence and reinforce positive self-talk. So as coaches, no, we should communicate with athletes, no, in a supportive and encouraging manner, creating a safe space for them to share their thoughts and feelings. Then encourage athletes to surround themselves with positive and supportive people who can help them stay motivated and focused. So that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Next, Sir Chris.
The same idea with Sir Neil and Ma'am Jel. Actually, I do the same with Ma'am Rachel during competition proper. A day before the competition proper, I always see to it that my athletes can sleep properly. No cell phones, kanang siguro mao na jud natong mga ways no on improving our athletes. We always do an open forum before a competition kanang a night before the competition ang mga bata kay akong ginapabilog naga-create mig open forum starting with all the thoughts na naasa kanang murag ginag-isip gud nila na you had your self-talk. I know and I believe na jud may something always sa inyong una-una kanang negative ba na or positive, you let it out. And after that kanang if ever kanang unsa imong mabuha ay unsa imong nabuhat na mga mali during our preparations kanang in betweens kanang unsa imong na help sa team or if it's a team competition unsa ba imong na help during sa preparation nato ginapagawas na ko na tanan and I always see to it na ang bata maghilak. It's because as for me crying helps us, not even our students but also kita as coaches. It always makes us feel nga na murag nagawas na to tanan atong negative side and with that I believe na murag ready na kay ang bata kay murag wala na siya gihuna-huna kanang murag wala na siya all of the feelings na negative sa iyang side kay murag napagawas na niya and I firmly believe that doing it so is it's a coping mechanism of our students and always nako ginaingon sa ilahan na during the competition proper an hour before to that I do the same kanang ginapabilog na pud ako na sila iingon tanan imong gusto iingon before the competition unsa imong ginahuna-huna kanang dili siya ilokom and after that if ever na naingon na nila tanan okay let's have I do it I routine na gyud nako siya during competition na okay let's have one prayer for everyone or one prayer for everyone. Each of them will going to pray for themselves for 10 minutes or kanang imuha, unsay mong na-feel, i-pray. You pray to the Lord, you seek guidance, you seek kanang protection. After that, we will going to have another one prayer. Kana ako na mismo mag-lead as coach na kanang murag whatever happens, sportsmanship will always retain. Kanang you did your best during preparations. We have prepared for this. Whatever challenges will happen, take it as an opportunity to become the next you. Kanang murag, whatever
Mm,
happens, positive or
better.
negative, there is always the next you that you have prepared, and that is an opportunity for you to know yourself again. It's a restart. Kaya di ba, wala, during practices, wala ka sa inyong room. During practices, imong friends have become your family. Sa practices, imong team have become your family. And with that family, kanang you gain a lot of love. You shared kindness within yourself, ay within each other. You have gathered care for each other. Kanang di ba, ikaw mismo as coach, maisip nimo unsa kay na feel atong isa nganong down siya during practice. So with that, let it out, burst everything into the competition proper, and at least whatever happens on the next journey of your life, you have done something for yourself and for the team, which you have become your family. Char, tatay na kayo.
Amen.
May family,
Bilyado na
family na
kaayo.
po. Ti
God,
Emilia, di ba? Ti Emilia. Oh, nice kayo, nice kayo, sir. Kanang, kay in a way, atong mga student athletes, so even atong student lang jud kay usay man good na sila problema sa at home nila. So at least ma-feel nila ba nga at home sila sa atoa gani.
They are cared.
Hmm. It's so nice to
Wow.
see na nag-care sa to. So, in a way, yes, no, kanang to sum it all up, self-talk could either be positive or negative. And I would like to take katong imong giingon, Sir Chris, nga gikan kay Doc Ferry, nga it's up to you kung sa imong gamiton, the dark side or the lighter side. So, ang ato lang siguro dira kay atong role is to guide our students to always see the positive in all of the things, even if gamay ra jud kay or datra siya, no, patudloan na to sila unsaon pag-focus on the positive through self-talk, because self-talk is really a good thing if magamit lang pud siya in a correct way. And through it all, prayer jud is the best ever, the most powerful self-talk that we do all throughout our lives. So matulog ko niya nga kanang
Fulfilled,
mag-think positive self.
satisfied.
Salamat kayo. For me, no, this is not just a project, but this is a
Yeah.
blessing in disguise. So, thank you kayo.
Ba, nindot kaayo siya nga panagstorya. Wala na to gi-expect ba nga our purpose is just to comply with the requirements for the subject, but nindot kay siya.
Something from we didn't expect.
Gani.
Ba?
Thank you kayo,
Nindot,
everyone.
siya na activity ni Doc Coralan, no?
Thank you
Ah,
for doing
Thank
this.
you, Doc.
Our feelings, no?
And that we end our podcast. Once again, this is The Voice Within, Understanding Self-Talk. And thank you so much for listening. Till our next episode. Bye.
thank you. Bye.